Kungaloosh Adventures, Ryan here for TMR Tours. Today we're going to look at coin-activated arcade machines found around Disneyland. Now this was asked for by one of our subscribers, Paul. Thanks a lot. We're going to cover all of these right now for you. So first up in Frontierland, we're going to talk about this one-man band machine. 25 cents, and you get this awesome music played from the machine. Now it does play multiple different songs, and it's amazing to watch this thing in action. Around the corner in the same shop, you have the Woody Marionette arcade machine. Now this one, you can make him dance. It's kind of like in the style of Woody's Roundup from the TV show within the movies, and it's a really fun, interactive arcade game. Now another one that's very similar to this, just a different character, is over on Main Street in the Penny Arcade. You can actually make Pinocchio dance as well. So two marionette puppets that are fun to interact with. In the Penny Arcade on Main Street, you also have Esmeralda, the fortune teller. This is a traditional fortune-telling machine, and it actually prints out a fortune at the end. A very similar machine can be found in Adventureland. Shrunken Ned is the doctor of the jungle, and he'll give you a little synopsis as well as a joke, and then print out that card as well. This one is our favorite to visit, and it has a really fun card that is great for a keepsake. Now over in New Orleans Square, you can find the Jolly Roger. This is another fortune teller that actually tells more of a story, and at the end, you get another one of those cards that you can take home and put in the scrapbook. Let's head back to the Penny Arcade on Main Street for some honorable mentions. Now the Calliope right here shown is Walt's own, and it plays multiple songs throughout the day for free. It's an amazing piece of Disneyland. Also, the Mutoscopes are a piece of film history, and they only take a penny to actually watch. So these are actually hand-crank film reels, so to speak, actually almost in the style of a giant Rolodex, and you can watch a silent movie with, of course, Charlie Chaplin. I hope you enjoyed this fun look at some extra things you can do here at Disneyland that don't cost an arm and a leg. If you want some more fun tips, check out TMR Tours here on YouTube and Facebook.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.